This is the Silhouette Portrait 4. Let me show you how amazing this cutting machine is, especially if you're wanting to make stickers with your art. This is the machine here and the included cutting mat. I've already connected it to my computer and then accessed the included Silhouette Studio program where you will design your sticker pages and set up your stickers for cutting. I've printed my artwork on a glossy sticker paper. So you can use the included portable cutting mat here. So what you do is pull off this blue sheet. The backing is sticky so you can apply any material you want to it and send it through your machine. The Portrait 4 also has the capabilities to use an electrostatic mat where you place your material and it magnetically sticks to the mat, which other portrait versions have not been able to use. Then back in Silhouette Studio, I'll go ahead and make my settings for cutting. So this is going to vary based on the type of sticker paper, but there are some basic sticker settings to get you started and then you adjust as you go. And then when your settings are ready, you press send and the machine will begin cutting. This machine can cut pages up to 9 inches wide, so this is a standard 8.5 by 11 inch sticker paper, which makes it very convenient to print and cut. It's pretty quick at cutting, and this is said to be a quieter and more precise cut than previous versions. Here are the final stickers. You just pull them off the page and they're all cut out and ready to use. I definitely recommend the Portrait 4 if you're looking to make stickers with your art.